Here's how to make modeling chocolate, edible chocolate clay. You can make any cake you want with this stuff, and I mean anything. Start with 1 bag of white chocolate chips. You're gonna wanna get something tasty because this is what your modeling chocolate's gonna taste like. My favorite are Ghirardelli's white chocolate chips. Now pour your chocolate chips in a microwave-safe bowl. Now you're gonna wanna put this in the microwave for 30-second intervals, stirring each time until it's completely melted and smooth. Here's after 1 time. Here's after 2 times, little chunks in there still. And after the third 30-second interval, I'd say that's looking perfectly smooth. Which brings us to our next step, light corn syrup. Now if you do 1/3 of a cup, your modeling chocolate will be less sticky, but if you do half of a cup, your modeling chocolate will blend together easier. So I like to do somewhere in between and do 1 heaping cup of 1/3 of a cup. Just like that. Now you're gonna mix this all up just until it comes together. And it looks like this. Perfect. Now we're gonna wrap it up in plastic and stick it in the fridge, and I'll see you in 30 minutes. Welcome back. Now it's time to get to work. All right, now you're gonna knead this until it is smooth like clay. You know, you'd think I'd be jacked by now doing this all the time, but yeah, if you just wanted to make white, we are done, but to make colors, just add a few drops of gel food coloring. Now the reason I say gel-based food coloring is because the water and powder ones can affect the texture of the chocolate a little bit, so probably your safest bet. And there you have it. That's how you make modeling chocolate. Now go have fun and make something weird.